I'm Dr. Tabitha Samir of Mere Skin Dermatology, and I'm going to show you a homemade recipe for hair removal. It's basically a homemade waxing cream that you can create with 2 ingredients, lemon and honey. So the way you want to do this is create 4 parts of the honey to 1 part of the lemon. And I tend to use organic honey and organic lemonade, and you take 4 tablespoons of the honey to 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice, and then you can mix it together. If you find that the honey's a little bit thick, you can put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, mix it up real well, let it cool before you apply it, and you can use it to remove hair. And I like to also do a patch test on the people. So what you want to do is put a little bit on the inside of your wrist and then wipe off, and then wait about 24 hours to see if you get an allergic reaction. If it's all good, and then continue on, and you can use a popsicle stick and a gauze and this honey mixture, and you can keep the honey mixture in your refrigerator for up to 2 days before you have to throw it out. I hope that these tips help you. I'm Dr. Tabitha Samir of Mere Skin Dermatology.